Hello everyone. In the previous tutorial of Scheme Sketch, we have discussed to use some very basic features of the Scheme Sketch software, and we also discuss how to draw basic structural formula. In this second tutorial, we will see how to write basic reactions with the help of Scheme Sketch. So let us take the example of nitration of benzene. So first of all, friends, I will select this aromatic ring and I will paste it into the working area. Now here you can see that the plus sign. Sometimes we are writing the reactions like A plus B gives C plus D. So there we want this plus sign. So I am selecting the plus sign and pasting it over here. Right. I can move it also. If you select it, oh sorry, it's deleted. I am again repasting it. I will select it, and with the arrow keys on our keyboard, see I am moving it downward, upward, left side or right side. So that way we can use it. So that is one option. Right now I don't want it, so I am selecting delete option and deleting that. Now beside this plus sign, reaction plus, you can see the arrow, and there are several different kind of arrows are given. A simple arrow for the reversible reactions. So let us select this simple arrow and I am pasting it. Again I will, if you want to broaden the arrow, I will select the arrow, and here you can see that cursor, and just by dragging that you can increase or decrease the size of arrow as per your requirements. Even with the help of 4 arrow keys, see I am right now moving upside, downside, left side, right side. So all these things you can do that. Now in most of the times on the arrow in chemistry we used to write conditions of the reaction. So for that, beside this arrow, very next reaction arrow labeling, that tool is given. So I will click over it and it is selected, you can see that, and I will again click on this arrow. So one table will pop up. You can see that edit reaction condition. So you know that as we want to write nitration of benzene, so we know that the reagents are concentrated HNO3. Now if you select this area, then you can write above the arrow. So let us write concentrated sulfuric acid. Sorry. Okay. Some more features are also given. See delta. Sometimes when the temperature is not specific, we normally write the delta. So if I select it, so see delta is printed here. It is not necessary into the nitration, but just I am showing you the different these tools. Suppose temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, which is of the azotization. So 0 to 5, and if I click degrees Celsius, then you can add degrees Celsius. If the reaction is occur in the presence of acid, you want to show that, just click acid. If reaction occur in the presence of base, you can click on base, and that way. But we right now we don't want anything this for the nitration, so I am again deleting that. You can also select the font from this. You can align the text as per your requirement. So far you can see that I have keep it central, but the moment I click align left, see it is align left, align central is the good one. Now I am pressing OK, and you can see that whatever text we have selected above and below the arrow key, that is pasted over here. Now I will write the product. So nitrobenzene is our product, so I am first pasting benzene ring. First I will make carbon chain, it will turn into toluene. I will select edit atom label. I will click select this methyl group. Nitro group is already there, and just insert and see it is converted into nitrobenzene. So if you are preparing your notes or some research articles where you want to show this kind of, this is a very basic one, but once you have the grip over it, then any kind of reactions you can write. Now one more feature I want to show you is there is no need to write their name underneath. You can write it with the text, but let me show you one more easy feature. I will go into the tools, and here you can see that generate and name for the structure. So I have not selected reactant or the product, that's why general benzene to nitrobenzene, that is automatically pasted. So I am pressing Ctrl Z. Again I will select only benzene, and now I will go to the tools, generate name for structure, and you can see that under the benzene its name is pasted. Now I will select the product. Again I will go to the tools, I will go to the generate name for the structure, and see nitrobenzene is a pasted. So now I can select the whole this text and go to the Word or PowerPoint wherever I am preparing my material, and I can paste it. So friends, I hope that whatever I discuss in this tutorial, how to write a very basic and simple reactions, how we can add condition of the reactions, how we can select different arrows as per our wish, we can use the reaction plus sign. So these are very basic but very useful features in ChemSketch. So I hope that uh, this is in this tutorial you must know this and you will try it. Thank you.